What's up, guys, and welcome back. Before we ever start on this video, I want to thank everyone that has helped us get to our 1,000 subscriber goal, and let's not stop there. Let's keep on going. So keep on telling everybody about it, and let's keep sharing and commenting. And if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, go ahead and click it, please. I would appreciate it. We had a lot going on this week. I was sick for a couple of days. Wasn't able to get in the shop. Wasn't able to go to work. And then Joey and Heather did a lot while I was gone. And then I came back. We did put a fuel pump on Joey's car. We got rid of the block mount style fuel pump and went to the belt drive and took it down the road. I'm gonna try to put a little bit of that video in there, but I'm not gonna lie, he made me a little nervous and I was just a little bit shaky. So anyway, we think we have that problem fixed. So hopefully, we didn't get to try it out last night, unfortunately. The rain came right when they finished packing the track. The rain came, and we had everybody around us, you know, had their radar pulled up, and there was nothing on the radar. So we thought, okay, it's just going to be just a little light shower moves in, and it rained lightly for a few minutes, and then the rain came. And when I say it rained hard for a while. So by that time, it was we were way too late. Everything was, the cars were sitting out, the lifts were sitting out, and we had a river running under the trailer. So once the rain stopped, we were able to load everything up, and we decided to not even attempt to get the trailer out. So we left the truck and trailer there last night, went back and got it today. Got everything unloaded and cleaned up. So the only thing we haven't cleaned up is the upstairs of the trailer because it is still wet. But cars didn't really get dirty other than just moving them around in the pits trying to get them loaded up. So, but we went ahead and washed everything up, so everything's nice and clean. So everything's ready to go. We'll find something to get into in the shop this week. We elected not to go anywhere tonight. Really, we didn't have time after getting home and getting everything cleaned up. We went at lunch today, let the pits dry out a little bit, and picked up the truck and trailer. So by the time we got back, it is now, I don't know, right at 5 o'clock, 5:30. So we didn't have time to go anywhere anyway. So we will be hopefully back racing somewhere next week. So this is going to be kind of a short video with no racing going on. Got a little bit shot video this week, not a whole lot. It was kind of hectic with only 2 days to try to get the cars ready and go test it down. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back in the shop. Finally get to feeling a little better and getting some work done on Joey's car behind me. So we got the power steering pump. There's a rear mount power steering pump. Got it taken off the car, fixing to put on the Tandem X fuel and power steering pump. So hopefully that will fix all of our problems. So I am under here right now fixing to pull the transmission back. Got to take the shifter linkages off of it. We'll get our pump bolted up right there. We got to slide the transmission back so we can replace this belt right here. So the power steering pump takes a shorter belt, so I got to We got to get that off of there and get a longer belt put on it, and then we'll slide the transmission back in, bolt up the pumps, hook up a few more lines, take off the fuel pump, put a block off plate on there, and crank it up and set the fuel pressure, and we'll be ready to go. So don't know what the plans are yet for this weekend. We're kind of watching the weather, and don't have a whole lot of options of tracks to go to this weekend that are racing. So we'll kind of keep y'all informed on our Club 27 Racing Facebook page, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna put this down, I'm gonna get to work. What's up, guys? Fast forward one day. We got the fuel pump changed on Joey's car, got the belt drive set up, put on it last night, and as soon as he gets done with dinner, we're gonna go hot lap this thing down the road and make sure our problem is resolved before we go to the racetrack again and fight it all night. So pretty confident that we'll have it fixed, but we will know for sure in just 1 second.
Jeremy is not allowed back in the trailer because he got out. We got someone trying to get out. Hopefully he doesn't get stuck. He needs to zoom in. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I think he's got it. You got it, big dog?
It's muddy. Look at that mud.
It's the best part of racing.
He was on the back of the car. And look, he didn't have his race car on the side.
Baby, you cold?
Down there, it was wide open. Mud playing out from under the street.
I bet there was plates in the floor. look, when he finally got to the top of the hill, before he could crest, he had to stop where he gets dirty.
Babe, you're doing a great job.
Try on one side. Yeah.
Jeff, did you fall? You can't come in here. Whenever you're out, oh, okay.
He comes flying through.
Your dad just came flying.
I never failed, did I?
Look at that horse.
Look at this. Look at this over here. Look. I didn't put my front full drive. Four-wheel drive.
Oh, boys and girls, I think they almost got it. Jeremy's in four-wheel drive. Jeremy's in four-wheel drive.
Hey, I failed my life.
He's probably going to sleep on the couch tonight.
Bill, I was wondering who that was that drunk. And then when I stepped up the car, I hope I got I'm gonna need a couple bottles of water when we get done. The rest I'll be. What I'm gonna do is when we're done, I'm gonna ride home barefoot and just throw my.
Just seen the little bit of the stuff that went on at the racetrack. They got some videos of everyone trying to get out and load up and all that good stuff. So other than not being able to race, that's always sucks. It is kind of comical to watch everybody load and try to get out of a muddy pit area, but kudos to Hattiesburg Speedway for Donald Parker for attempting to get that race in. With the rain chance that it showed all week, he could have very easily called it off, but he went through the trouble and went through spending the money for fuel and everything and his trucks and tractors and all his equipment to try to give us a place to race, and we do appreciate that. Unfortunately, it rained out anyway, but I'm not going to say it was a bad move on trying to get the race in, because it did. The rain chances had went to nothing, and like I said, while it was raining, we had a couple of radars pulled up and it showed no rain on the radar, so it wasn't anything anybody could have done. Someone stronger than us didn't want us to race last night, and we'll take that and move on. But thanks again to everyone that's liked and subscribed. Thanks again to everyone that's commented, shared a video. We are just getting started, and I appreciate it. If you need or want t-shirts, hit me up. We have some t-shirts left. We are working with someone for the giveaways that we talked about. We're getting some stuff made to give away since we met our 1,000 subscriber goal. So just watch for that. And it is happening. We'll probably end up watching the Lucas Oil race. Our buddy Spencer Hughes, he had a pretty good run going last night until that top gave up on him at Tri-City. And then our other buddy, Corey Hedgecock, he won the Southern Nationals race at Beckley. So congratulations to those guys. And all those guys are racing again tonight. So we will be watching and cheering them on from the house. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and shut it down, and we will see y'all next time.